black make me look slimming
It's very
or
sexy.
make me look pretty?
It's very sexy on you.
Oh, guys, I'm pregnant. Oh, I felt a kick.
Oh, bright lights. Oh, but that air feels good.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
All right, guys, welcome back. I've done a little bit of work. We've replaced all 9 of these Salon windows. Very happy with them now that we got them not to leak. That was fun. The buell tape on one of them, on that side, we had to put a little bit more in to stop because, well, the old fiberglass apparently didn't take the screws going in and out. But this panel, if we remember, was completely trashed. I've got 2 of them over here that are the same way. But trying to get this old stain that's been on these panels for 48 years, 49 years, it's kind of hard to match. You can't just call the factory and say, hey, what color did you use? Because what? They're not there anymore. So I took a piece of paneling, cut it out when you guys weren't here with me, and I spent a full day going to 3 and 4 different staining places to try to match the stain. It's close. So what we're going to do today is pull this panel back out and put Total Boat's spar varnish across it and try to get it to match a little better. So let's go ahead and pull this panel out. You'll see how much fun this was getting in.
Oh, it got stuck on the buell tape.
It's a tight fit.
That's what she said.
Okay. All right. So, as you can see, we got some buell tape on here. Not a problem. That just means it's squishing and moving and doing its stuff. Because the tighter this gets, it kind of pushes out and moves. So,
do we need to retighten any screws?
No, it doesn't leak. Don't touch it. So I have Mr. Inspector Gadget here, a brush. I've got, because I'm cool, paint lid. And our Gleam varnish from Total Boat. So let's get this open, get outside, and get some artistic work done.
Not sponsored by Total Boat, but we sure do love their products.
I love and use their products.
Absolutely.
They're phenomenal. All right, so this has been sitting out for a while. It feels like it's dry. It's got a little shine to it. Looks good. Let's take it down and see how it looks in the window for a final fit. How's that sound?
Yay.
See you below. All right, so let's see how this goes back in for its final time. And you know how much fun it was to get out, so it's going to be that much fun to get back in. It's actually going in, I don't want to say it. There's the problem.
Do you have to screw it in at all?
Yep.
You don't need a whole bunch of screws though, right?
Nope, there's going to be one in here somewhere, in here, here, and here.
In my defense, people, he said to go shopping. I went shopping. Don't hate because I have food everywhere.
Trust me, the doc loves that you have food everywhere. right, so I'm gonna go get a drill bit and we're gonna try to put some screws in. What?
Hi, George. There's a baby. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Pick me up, mommy. Oh, it's a George.
Stay. Okay, so I'm going to say right here. Right here.
How do you know if you're going through the boat?
You hope you don't, because I'm not going in that deep. Because you can feel when it goes through the wood and then when it hits the fiberglass.
Do you want me to see if you hit the outside?
I know I didn't. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That's fiberglass. Okay.
So then we just need the finishing panels,
Now we just need the trim for it.
the trim, and then I can put curtains up.
Yep. So we will actually try to go grab the trim
Next weekend.
sometime this week and I can bring it back.
Okay.
But yeah, we'll bring it back this next weekend and maybe try to put a couple of them up. Because the holes are going to go in the polycarbonate. Because that's where they were on the old ones. Because I can show you on this lovely window that I kept. Right, there's a screw hole for one. There's a screw hole for one. There's one. There's one. There's one. And there's one. So.
Is there a reason why you kept that one?
Yes, I can't remember why, but it'll come to me when I need it.
Okay.
So this panel is done. It's hard to tell with the sun, but it's a little red, but I think it should match.
It looks fine to me.
So 3 more panels to do and then the windows will be completely done.
Thank goodness.
So that's the end of this project for now. I am gonna back one of these screws out, and because I do know we need one here, there's a couple that I need throughout.
And go find some screws.
I'm gonna go find some screws and put in, just to put them in. And then we're gonna put the window trim on, and this side will be done. Then we work on that panel and those two. I can put the trim up on the other two and call it done. So then we start putting ceiling panels up. So, well, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. Like I say, it might not be the right way, but it's my way. It's how we're doing it. There's 110 different ways to do it. I think I'm doing it like they did it back in 73, 74 when they built the boat. And I hope a little bit better, because they definitely didn't use buell tape on these windows. We're trying to improve on what they went on. Is it today's standards? I don't know. But I just know it's done and done right for me, for what I'm doing. So if you like what we're doing, smash that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.